Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and a backup because you're changing boot behavior. Once in an elevated command prompt, type chkntfs/xc and press enter. This tells Windows to skip the automatic check on drive C at next startup. Do this right away to prevent the scheduled scan from running. Make sure to target the correct drive letter. If your system is on D, replace C accordingly. This method prevents the boot time scans safely without forcing an unsafe shutdown. After excluding the drive, confirm the change by running chkntfsc, which reports if the volume is dirty or excluded. Once done, make sure to check boot execute in HKey local machine /system /current control, set /control /session manager using regedit. This value controls autocheck at boot. If you see entries forcing an automatic check, carefully edit the string to remove the autocheck command or restore to the default. Autocheck ****. Make sure to export the key before editing, restart your PC to apply the changes, and confirm Windows boots without running the automatic scanning and repairing routine. If the scan is already in progress when you attempt changes, do not force a power off unless you accept corruption risk. Let it finish or schedule a manual chkdsk later. If boot problems persist, run chkdsk/f/r from an elevated command prompt or use Windows recovery environment. One troubleshooting tip: if edits fail,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.